Assalamu alaikum, friends and viewers. How are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah. Friends, today we will discuss about the earning of YouTube or economics of YouTube. So first, please subscribe my channel and watch my whole video. Then it will helpful for you in earning in YouTube. Almost all of us are familiar with YouTube, the Google owned video sharing platforms, but not all of us are familiar with its beginnings and the impact it had on the consumer product world. YouTube, which is considered a monopoly in its field, was founded by three PayPal employees who ran the company from a small office which was above a small restaurant in a California city. From such humble beginnings, it has become so prevalent in today's media landscape, such that around 500 hours of content are being uploaded every minute. YouTube did not stay small for long. By the end of the year, Kingmaker's Skew Capital had invested 3.5 million, followed by another 8 million alongside Artist Capital Management in early 2006. Venture capital was not the only source of interest in the company. In late 2006, Google no less came knocking $1.65 million in stock later. YouTube was a Google. The main reason why YouTube has been able to beat other competitor is the unique and innovative features it serves to both the content creators and users, both alike. While it was and still is a stock of users created content, it is now widely used by brands as a platform for marketing. It is also used by the film industry to promote their interest and also by musicians and artists to release their art. It is also used to politics, for example, to host the debates in the presidential election for the US. Here are some quick statistics to show the dominance and wide influence of YouTube. There are more than 2 billion active users monthly. It was the most downloaded app in the year 2018. 1 billion hours of YouTube content is viewed per day. YouTube as is downloaded in more than 5 billion Android mobiles. The statistics clearly show the marketing potential of YouTube. Looking at the gender demographic of YouTube, we see that the YouTube world is fairly male dominated. Men spend 44% more time on the app according to data collected by OpenSlat. They also found that 51 categories of the content posted on YouTube. The males are the major viewers in 90% of the categories. The below graph shows the female and male dominated categories in YouTube, while the women are into fashion, cosmetics, and music. The men dominate in sports, gaming, fitness, etc. Looking at the demographic, it is not shocking that younger tourists tend to spend more time on the site. In summary, according to Comscore information, YouTube has a huge audience reaching 81.2% of internet users in the USA. YouTube grew 31.8 million users between the ages of 18 and 24 in March, who spent on the site average of 10 hours. So guys, you have watched about the economic of YouTube and such a huge platform. By this way, we can also make the source of earning. Thank you watching my video.